Welcome to Framework Fortune Crypto, and welcome back all you amazing individuals in the Framework Fortune community. It's time for a crypto update. It's been a week since we've had one. A lot of stuff going on with the Framework Fortune company as we are getting further along in phase 1 of the blockchain project and redoing a complete update of frameworkfortune.com to add a whole lot more goodies for everybody with that free access, because it doesn't cost anything. You sign up with your email, boom, you're done, and you can go get access to the Discord group and join us there. But on to the update. So we've been waiting. This is, February to now. This big consolidation triangle. I'm going to pop my drawings on here. Now, we started this short-term trend line. Right here, these 3 dips started this new uptrend. This previous line, here's the 2500 area of support that has held up pretty nicely. Now, the overall downtrend did break. Ethereum was able to pop up almost to 3,000. If Ethereum can break 3,000, then it just needs to get up and break over 3,200 to be back full on bullish. If it does that, I think we'll see it on up to 5,000. But even though it broke this downtrend, I'm going to go ahead and delete this because it's broken, and it broke this downtrend. But this $3,000 area is still holding very strong, even coming out of those trend breaks. So you can see if we extend this line all the way back, where 3,000 has always been a very strong area. So Ethereum possibly could get rejected here and come back down to maybe 2,700, then try to break over 3,000. So do be wary of it, as it is the past 4 days gotten held up there. And another reason I think we may see it pull back a little bit more is because of this little doji star, where we shot up from the support, hit that 3,000 area, and then got this hard rejection. And so far, we're getting selling pressure today, pushing the green candle back down. So we'll have to see by the end of the day where Ethereum's at. But we want to see it stay above 2,900 as it's poking that $3,000 area. We want to see it keep going up there and testing multiple days in a row, or at least on a shorter time frame. You can see we're almost back up to it. Well, we're actually above all EMAs on the 4-hour time frame as well. So when this 4-hour candle closes, if the next one breaks over, basically we'll make this real easy. If we see Ethereum get back over 2,960, it's going to test 3,000 tonight. Now, whether it breaks or not, we're not really going to know for sure. It looks like it could on this 4-hour chart. But we still have, in the short term, a little downtrend. So it's got to hold where it's at above 2,900 and get up there. Start pushing up there. If it sells off some more from this point, 2,700, 2,750, it'll definitely be the next bottom support area. So kind of the same thing on Bitcoin. It was able to hold up the 38.5 def line. We'll continue to move that sideways, but it's gotten back over 40,000 and pretty much stayed above 40,000 for about almost a week now. And today, even after that strong pullback yesterday, we're bouncing off, or at least so far holding above the 40,008 line, which is right where this 10-day moving average and 50-day moving average push-ups. But with these push-ups and rebounds that we've seen on Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're seeing some altcoins popping. Let's see what's up right now. On the list, we got Spell up 35%. Been on a long downtrend with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Breaking that downtrend today, shooting from 203, a bunch of numbers, up to 205, which is a huge move. We also have RBN up, but you can see it's running right into that 50-day. Selling pressure's pushed it back below it. We'll have to break above 150 to try to hold if that's going to continue to move, but that's actually still in a downtrend. I probably wouldn't be too worried with that. Jasmy, that did have a nice rebound. That one actually tripled in price from 1 cent all the way up to 3.5 cents now, but did get all the way up to 5 cents, so actually more than tripled. And if it can continue to push up and it breaks above 5 cents, we could see Jasmy go on another bullish run, although this uptrend at the moment's a little steep. After that run, it may have to come back down a little bit to like 3 cents. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on Jasmy. Cosmos Atom, not really been too active lately, even with the rips happening on some of the other altcoins. But it hasn't really dropped either, which is a good thing. It's still in this downtrend, but just kind of hanging out right at the moment at those EMAs. All three of them smushed together. So any buy and push would push Atom right back up through 30, which is what I'm expecting to come soon. We do have the trend line somewhere around that 25, 26 area. So if it doesn't give a push up in the next couple of days, we may see it back down to 25 momentarily. Still quite a ways to go before it can get back up here and test this 45 area. We're going to need to see some big buying volume come in, which I think we'll start seeing some more coming in as the stock market and the other markets continue to be pretty volatile and pretty shaky, where crypto's not been too crazy, at least the main ones. So Shiba Inu, very, very, very close to the tip of this triangle. Wouldn't take much, and it could just pop right above that quad 0, 2.5 area. It's holding up so far today on the 10-day and that support area of quad 0, 2. But very close. Buying volume comes in the next day or two. You could see another little move like this or something. Or maybe even, could start another bull run possibly on Shiba. But if it doesn't hold up, Shiba will drop back down, test that quad 0, 2 area. Probably would crack at that point. It'd probably drop right through it, actually, if it doesn't hold here and break out soon. So Solana, you can see my previous drawing prediction there is pretty much following right along with that. Did get up to 93, holding above the 10-day, just like a lot of plays currently at the moment. So as long as it continues up and breaks back over 100, Solana could go bullish. Crow, which is crypto.com, still in its steep downtrend, has started to uptrend a little bit here, just like the other plays, but getting a little bit more rejection at this resistance than the other plays. So need to see Crow get some buying volume. You see the difference down here in buying volume, just volume in general, from back here when it hit Coinbase and it went wild. Gods Unchained is just simply following Ethereum at the moment. If I pull Ethereum up on the chart, it was about December when Gods came out. Right there in December when it came out is right when Ethereum started crashing. So Gods has just been on a downtrend because of the lack of investors that have been in the market here in the crypto markets. But you can see that same little triangle that Ethereum has pretty much broken out of. Gods hasn't quite broken out of yet over here. And God seems to be about 2 to 3 days behind Ethereum from what I've noticed. And then IMX token, which Gods is going to follow IMX token as well. You can see IMX follows Ethereum, but is starting to maybe make its own way. It's very close with this big U shape on this daily to breaking out over 225. Of course, there's a lot of congestion right through here, so $3 to $3.50 will be some tough resistance. But then after that, there's not too much up to 5, and then we could possibly see if we go on a hot altcoin bull run. IMX being what it is, the mutable platform, and how far they're coming along, I don't even know what I would value it at the moment, just because of how fast they are continuing to develop it. Same with Gods on there, but IMX is going to have more potential for a wider scope of investors because it is a NFT marketplace and platform. It is the same development team of Gods, so that'll flow over into Gods, of course, like we just saw with this recent investment. But I think IMX is probably going to be the higher price coin in the end. As long as Ethereum is going bullish, both of them should see some more investors or more action at least come into them. And they were quiet for a while, but they have gotten active. With this new core set refresher that's come out, a lot of people are playing the game, so that's a good thing. We just need to see money come in on the investor side, which it looks like it's starting to do. So that's all the analysis I'm going to do for now, as we're waiting that 3,000 area on Ethereum to break still. But we are very, very close, knocking at the door. So if you've been following the crypto updates, we've been covering a whole lot of different projects, especially in the NFT and gaming sector. I've got a whole list more to bring to you guys as we continue the updates. We'll be back Wednesday for another live crypto update where we'll dive into some more projects. So if you've got something you want me to check out, whether it be NFT project or be DeFi, anything that is in the blockchain realm, leave it in the comments below. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.
This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. Built to last when the web's on.